Hello everyone, welcome back to Infinity Physics. In the last lecture, we had a discussion about Newton's second law, and at the end of the lecture, I have asked some question, and that questions were correctly answered by Bharvi. So congratulations Bharvi, and thanks for your support. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Newton's third law of motion. And what is the statement? For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, or simply action and reaction forces are always equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Let us try to understand it with the help of the example. Here you can see that a ball hits the ground and that force is called the action force. And in reaction to that action force, the ground applies an equal and opposite force on the ball. For our convenience, let us take the example that when ball hits the ground, it applies a force of 100 Newton on the ground, and the ground applies an equal and opposite force, that is called the reaction force, on the ball. Similarly, during the launch of the rocket or space shuttle or satellite, the exhaust comes out from the space shuttle or that rocket. It applies a large amount of force on the floor, and due to that force the floor applies an equal and opposite force, that is called the reaction force, on the rocket, and hence the rocket moves upward. Similarly, when a bullet is fired from a gun or from a rifle, the bullet moves away with a action force causing an reaction on the rifle, and during that reaction the person holding the rifle will feel a jerk. It must be remembered that action and reaction always act on different objects, and these two forces are always equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, and hence we can say that for every action there is an equal and opposite reactions. In day-to-day life, when we are walking, coming out of the boat, right, and during the swimming also, we can see that action and reaction forces are exist. During the swimming, we push our hands backside, that is we are pushing the water in the backward direction, and in reaction the water pushes us in the forward direction.